Hey, what's up? I'm Jonesy, a comedian from Los Angeles. I'm hosting Lifted Laughter with Cannabis Capitol tonight, and I got some of my hilarious friends with me. This show is gonna be amazing. Check it out.
Ladies, you wanna know why? You wanna know why I love a short king? Because their tiny hands make your titties feel bigger. It's true! Little Keebler elves dropping their fudge cookies for my fudge cookies.
Fuck, sativa will fuck my brain up too much for me to finish this thought. But I had a pretty good day today. I got to reconnect with an old Navy buddy of mine. We used to work at Old Navy together.
And sometimes I forget that I got an Arab face, like, you know. With my face could be some misunderstanding. Last time I did that, my uncle was in the crowd. I did this. Which one? This one? I do it right now. Okay. Stop doing this.
You know who they say was a really good dad? They say Martin Luther King was a really good dad. Talking about the birds and the bees, was he like, now son, I want you to watch out for this hoochie mamas. I know you might see a big old ghetto booty, but no. Don't be a punk and fall for junk in the trunk.